To learn more about what you've seen on this nature program, visit PBS online at pbs.org or America Online keyword PBS.
Come on up here a minute. This is the baby.
Baby.
The baby. You're out there playing with the mama. Or the daddy, baby. They say he's 10 foot or bigger. You look pretty tasty dragging behind that boat.
The senses of a crocodile are all concentrated around the head, and it's really quite a remarkable sort of system, because what you have is they can breathe through the end of the snout.
If I splash something in the water, watch. Whop, he's gotcha.
I am PBS.